Climate change is costing billions of dollars each year, and we're starting to see irreversible effects to the natural environment. So to address this, we must have renewable energy, and wind turbines are a key part of this. At Ping Monitor, we're supporting the change to a renewable future, and in particular, reducing the cost of wind turbine operations and maintenance. We're an intelligent listening business, and we use sound to assess the damage from wind turbine blades. Ping Monitor increases the adoption of wind turbines in 3 ways. It reduces the cost of blade damage by continuously monitoring and allowing damage to be repaired when it's smaller, when it's first detected, rather than letting it grow and make a more costly repair. Secondly, we help optimize the visual inspections by only inspecting the wind turbines that need to be inspected. And then finally, with an optimized maintenance regime, there's more uptime and more power generation from wind turbines. The Ping Monitor is plug and play. It's attached to the tower with magnets, it's self-contained, it's got solar power and batteries, and is attached in less than 5 minutes. And the device communicates through the cloud and alerts when maintenance is required on the wind turbine blades. Using a noise camera, this is a demonstration of sound generated by damage on a wind turbine blade. You can see that every third blade that comes around, there's damage on that particular blade. So over the last 6 years, we've tested on over 300 wind turbines on a range of sites, on a range of make and model. So these are the results of the visual inspection, the normalized visual inspection on the horizontal axis, and the corresponding result for each wind turbine on the vertical axis. And we're really happy with this plot, and probably most importantly, we're not seeing false positives and we're not seeing false negatives. The Ping Monitor is dramatically different from the current methods of assessing blade damage. The current methods are all visual and hence periodic. The Ping Monitor is continuous, and we can hence detect damage early and allow it to be repaired early. My name's Matthew Stead. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Ping Monitor. We're supporting the transition to a renewable energy future and reducing the cost of wind turbine operation.